Okay guys, we're going to attempt to install the Corsair 100 into a Thermaltake Speedo Advanced Edition case. This case has 220mm fans here on the back, so the easiest way I think is going to be to just go ahead and put them right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to have to do is take these fans off. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, as for instructions call, it says that we're going to have to put the radiator in first. Okay, do that by using screw and washers. Okay, we're going to take this radiator, we're going to stick it right up here, line up the holes, and then screw it in. Okay, so I'm going to have to turn this a little bit so I'll be able to see it. I really need a camera, man. Okay, so wow, they lined up perfectly. I can't believe that. And let's see how well these screws go in. I like to get a couple of them started before I get any of them tight, so that way once you get it tight, there's no misalignment in the holes. Sorry if my head's getting in the way. It's, like I said, it's hard to do this without a cameraman. Make sure I got it lined up correctly. Don't want to strip anything out. Screw them in like so. And you got 2, 4, 6, 8 to do. I'm not going to sit here and do this in front of y'all, so I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, the next thing we got to do is install the fans. You need to look on the fan. Anyway, there's the little arrows right here to tell you which way the airflow goes. Okay, you need to make sure that, for me, I'm going to be doing exhaust. I got plenty of cool air coming in this case, so I want to get that air out of there. I want to keep the air flowing positively, so I don't want anything blowing against anything else in here. So I want to get use the cool air that's coming in the case to blow through the radiator. My case is pretty cool. Some people have more hot cases, so they may have to do an intake so that they get fresh air from outside. I think mine's gonna be fine. I'll take one of these long screws. You just stick it through like that. Line it up with the hole. Get it started. And then finish it off with your screwdriver. Got 4 for this one and 4 for the other one. Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, I got the fans installed right here. It's looking really nice. It's really not taking up as much space as I thought it was going to take up, the slim radiator. I'm hoping it's going to cool properly though, with it being not as much surface area as I thought it was. It may not cool. We'll see. One thing I wanted to show you guys that I did before I even started. Let me zoom in a little bit. I actually because I have an AMD. I had to change these. It had these little deals on here like this. I guess that's for an Intel. And I just had to unscrew the sides, slide this off, slide the new one on, and then I'm gonna try to get this on camera. Had these two little pieces, one right here. Okay, it goes up underneath the bottom like that. The other one looks like a thumb screw, but it's actually threaded on the inside, and it screws right on top, like so. Okay. This is designed to fit the AM3 socket without a special back plate. I'm gonna really try hard to do this without you guys, or with you guys being able to see. It's gonna be kind of tough to do this. Let's see. Basically, all you do is you line these up. Oh, I can't see myself. Basically, you just line these up. These right here with your little things right here on your socket, and then screw them down. Alright, we're going to give it a shot. Of course, you want to make sure your corsair is the right way. I guess I could go ahead and plug a couple of fans in before I do that. Let me know that's done. There we go. So, just line it up like so. Put that on. Take one side down. The other side, tighten it down. Okay. Tighten these down until you get it pretty snug. Alright. We need to hide our wires a little bit better than that. I don't want that out there like that. Okay, clean our 310 here. Even I can't see. Like so, and then plug in this Olex connector and we should be done. Thanks for checking out my video on how to install a Corsair h100. It really wasn't that hard at all. I'd highly recommend anybody that's interested in getting one, and if they're scared to install it, don't be. It's really not that hard, especially on the AMD. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos of unboxings, how-tos, and stuff about other electronic stuff. Anything I can get my hands on. Alright.